Want to know how to log in to Replit.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Replit.com website. So once you have opened it up, here on the top right side, you should be seeing something known as login. That's it, right beside sign up. So you can just simply select it. And now once you have selected login, here you can see your email or username or password. We have also created a video on how to log into Replit. So if you have not watched it, you need to watch it first because you need an account in order to log in first up. So you can just simply type in your email or password if you had signed in with that, or if you had used Google, GitHub or any other, you can just simply select this. So you can just simply choose your account, select continue, and you should be easily signed in to Replit.com automatically. And that's it, super simple and easy. So as you can see, the login is being loaded, and there you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.